Hey guys, now as Fortnite has been just recently released for the uh, Chapter 2 Season 1, you can update it on your Android and iPhone. So you can see here when I launch, it says update required. So this is on an Android phone. So we can now tap on the update button. And in here, I need to sign in to update. So I'll sign in and update. Now once we sign in, we can update. If it asks you to sign in, just simply sign in on your Android or either iPhone or Android, and we'll see. Now the graphics looks a lot different now. It is smooth and nice and look a bit more realistic. So I'm just going to update as well. So tap on update, and then tap on allow while using this app. So I'm just going to tap on the update button right there to update the app on the iPhone. Now on the iPhone, it goes to the Play Store and try to update. So I'm just gonna key in my Apple ID and password to update. In Android phone, it's a lot quicker. There's no messing around. You can just go straight to the update. On iPhone, you have to verify a few things before you can update. So you can see it's already downloading. So I'm just gonna tap on the launch button. Okay, now it's updating. Now you can see on Android it shows you the update, the download required. The initial download is 1.8 gigabytes of data that needs to be downloaded. So make sure you connect to Wi-Fi to avoid any usage of mobile data. And on the iPhone, it's also downloading now at the moment. I have just managed to verify a few things before we can go ahead with the download. So here it is, it's updating, and we'll take a look once it's finished downloading, and we're going to take a look at the graphics on both devices, the Android and the iPhone 11 Pro. Okay, on the iPhone here, it shows like it's complete already, but I'm sure there will be more downloads later on once we open it. So I'm just going to open it, and it is now open up the games. And so connecting, and now it's downloading 2.07 gigabytes. So it's downloading over here. It's I have a lock after account, so I need to switch account. Okay, so I've just switched account, and lucky I don't have to restart the download. It's still continuing with the download, even though you switching the account, which is really great. In the past, when you have something interrupting with the download, you normally have to restart again. So we just wait for that to finish. Okay, so it's downloaded and ready to load. So I'm just gonna tap on the play button. Now this is the graphics between the two different types of phones. It's Android S10 Plus and iPhone. Somehow it looks a bit sharper on iPhone 11 Pro on the screen. The screen looks a bit sharper, but we can't really tell that until we go into the actual game. So we wait until the game's load, and we'll see. So it's just kind of faded away. I can't actually see anything right now. Okay, so after installed, the game started with a dot. So a dot take us to a different world or different maps, different place. So this one here is loaded already. On the iPhone, it's still trying to load up. So with that circle, so we're just gonna wait. So here it is. So it has an intro screen right here. The graphics show you the graphics. You can do a lot of new stuff now, and here it is. So I'm just going to tap forward, and this is all the new things you can do. So this challenges. Then you got the inside the lockers. You got all the outfits and all the new characters. So there it is. So even the V-Bucks, you can purchase new things in here now. So it's got limited time offers, red stripe packs. So let's quickly go into a place and then see what it looks like. So I'm just gonna quickly tap on the play button. So here it is. Now it's going to into an intro on iPhone. There's no button to tap forwards, so I can't actually do anything now. So I actually watch the whole things now on an iPhone. So here on the Android, I can get started already. So after the intro, it just goes straight into the games in solo mode. As you can see here, there's only 79 plays left. So because this one is in a full screen, you can see the notch kind of like cover up some information right here on the corner. So perhaps we can turn it around, then you can see better on this side, and the notch kind of like cover up some buttons here. So it is kind of a troubles on iPhone 11 Pro. You might need to adjust some of the icons, the jump and the crouch around. So, but these are the graphics on iPhone 11 Pro. So I'm just going to check the settings. So I'm going to settings and then in graphics. So it's 30 FPS at the moment. I can only choose 30 FPS at the moment, depending on the settings that you choose. So there it is, 30 FPS, don't saved. Get out. Okay, so you can now swim, and you can fish. So you can now swim, so you can see. So you can jump. So during the swim, you can jump. So something's gone on there. So when you jump and then dive down. So let's see if I can jump and then dive down. So you can see what's pretty much just sand underneath. So you can't really go under the water. Pretty much it's just swim on top of the water. You can't dive down. Now you can also fish. So there's a fishing rod that you can collect, and you can also fish. So we can open up this map. You can see here it's green. It's not much details. It's got question marks. There's not a lot of details what this location is. So my camera's gone blurred. So there it is. Okay, what about on this one over here? So the map is gray on Android. So it's gray, and over here it's kind of greenish on iPhone. Right there, but still you don't get a lot of info, but you can get at least more colors and you can get more details over here. So let's go back here because over here also it's in a night mode. So this is the graphics on the Galaxy S10 Plus. So I'm just running the wrong way, so running back. So again, after the intro you go straight into the games. So it takes you directly into the game so that you can quickly examine the new maps on Fortnite. So again, we are now on Chapter 2, Season 1. Some of the buildings still resembling the old look of the previous design. The grass seems to be a little bit more nicer and sharper now. It's more smooth. So this is a chest here, and we can collect some of the items right here. So I'm just gonna smash the wall and get out. So that's the graphics on the Galaxy S10 Plus. So let's just check out this one over here. So there it is. That's the graphic on both devices. So let's go swimming over here on iPhone. So let's swim out of the water. It's gonna be quite a long swim. So where there are fishes, you can fish them, but you need to get a fishing rod. So here we are approaching the shore. So yeah, I do like the graphics on the iPhone. It looks nicer. And here it is. So I'm in the storm at the moment. And that's it. So yeah, so if you guys still have an update, got an update on your mobile device, and you can start playing and explore all the new things that is available with the new chapters. Thank you for watching this video, guys.